Hi, this is Chris, and welcome to Winemaker TV. If you like beer, if you like wine, and you like cider, and if you ever thought about making it yourself, well, this is the place for you. Are you new here? Please hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you'll know every time I come out with a new video and a new wine. Also, please join my Facebook group. The link will be down in the description so we can share ideas and tips and tricks. Today is a bottling day. Next to drinking and live tasting day, this is the best day in the process, so stay tuned. Today is bottling day, and today we'll be bottling a Pinot Grigio that I made a few months ago. This will be a part 3 of the process. We've, of course, we made the wine, we cleared and stabilized it. Now it's time to bottle. If you missed the first 2 sections, there will be a card right here and a description down in the bottom. There'll be a link in the description below so you can check those out and catch up to speed. So the things you will need to bottle this Pinot Grigio, of course, you'll need your Pinot Grigio. You will also need some 750 milliliter bottles. I use these with the swing top. I get these from Aldi's grocery store. It comes with sparkling pink lemonade in it. I don't particularly care for it myself. My girls like it, so I buy it for them. Reuse the bottles. Bottles on Amazon run $2.50. These are $2.99 with something in them. So there you go. So Aldi is where I get my 750 milliliter bottles. And I will need, and I'm going to be using a bottling bucket today with a spout. And all I did is get a food grade bucket and added a spout to it. And to get the Pinot Grigio from its fermenter into the bottling bucket, you will need a racking cane. And all this has been pre-sanitized, so let's transfer the Pinot to the bottling bucket, and we'll be right. Okay, this is my racking cane. This end will go into your Pinot Grigio or your other wine, and you will pump it, get a siphon started, and your bottling bucket will be below us, and the end will go into the bottling bucket. And via suction, it will transfer the wine into the bottling bucket and prevent it from getting oxidized and maybe getting some off flavors. So, and it's best if you have your bottling bucket below your wine, so it helps the gravity feed. So we're going to get this finished and be right back. Okay, we'll give it a few pumps to get it started. I don't know if you can see that, but that's the Pinot flowing into the bottling bucket. So we're going to let this do its thing. And okay, we're going to place our 50 milliliter bottle down near the spigot and just turn it on and fill it up nearly to the top. And it's best to let the wine kind of run down the side of the bottle. So again, so it won't oxidize and get off flavors. There's bottle number 1. Look how clear that is. So we're going to bottle up the rest of these and we'll be right back. Okay, we've got it bottled, and I got 4 bottles of 750 milliliter bottles. Just a tip, if you siphon it into your bottling bucket, make sure the spout is off. I had the spout on, cleaning and sanitizing it, and I forgot to turn it off, so I had to clean up a big mess at my feet. And that's about 750 milliliters of nice wine that just went on the floor. So, little tip. So, we're going to let this sit for about a week via bottle shock. Sometimes let everything mellow and chill out, and then stay tuned for a live tasting of it. So this is Chris with Winemaker TV, and that's all there is today. Enjoyed what you see? Please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you're making. Join my Facebook group. and peace out.